Hey everyone, Ocean County WX here. Keep in mind this video did not have an intro, and nor will my other ones for now, because I'm still working on which one I want. But we're going to be testing my collection of 4 smoke detectors. The SA710CN, 9120B. I keep forgetting which one this is. What does it say? Smoke carbon monoxide alarm. And the FireX I4618A, which, fun fact, doesn't close until you put a battery in, and is also interconnectable. So, right here is the SA710. Pop this in. I say SA710CN because of the CN number on the CN model on the packaging. So here we go. Pop out the battery. Shut that. Next up, this is always kind of hard to open. Right here, there we go. The 9120B that I found at a thrift store in a BRK packaging. That was weird. Something did a deeper tone. This is my 3rd one that I ever got. I got it at a thrift store. It doesn't have a battery cover. My favorite because it talks. Because look, if you take the battery out and you put a new one in, that's weird. Put a new battery in, and it'll actually speak.
Fire. Warning, carbon monoxide.
Next up, my FireX I4618. Actually, FireX is a part of Kidda. And now we can actually get into a little bonus I have, which is a carbon monoxide alarm. And there is my dog. Surprisingly, she's not bothered. There goes the C-17. Anyways. Right here is my first alert CO606 carbon monoxide alarm. And we're gonna load the battery in that now. And we're gonna also test it. Next. Also, this is actually capable of being plugged into the wall. Next up, this thing over here, the Kidda What is this? KNCOBDP2. There's a little weight, so. Okay, yeah, there's kit of double A's in there from. We need new double A's for this. Oh, tie pitch. Let's. And this is like. All right. So yeah, this concludes the video. It's been Ocean County WX with testing, smoke, and carbon alarms. Thank you for watching. Bye.